Currently 2:50. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. 2:50, January 5th. Just got done eating, and you guys seen me make some coffee. I actually only had half of it because I just wasn't feeling it for some reason today. I'm now going to walk on the treadmill for a little bit. I'm kind of not feeling the best today. I've been kind of having an episode with my throat. Here, I might as well just come downstairs, walk on the treadmill for a little bit. I'm gonna do 10 to 20 minutes, we'll see. And then after, I'm going to take a bath and relax and maybe watch Vampire Diaries, I'm not sure. But yeah, so it is still Tuesday, January 5th. And I got done with work a little bit ago. So yeah, I'm going to walk on the treadmill now and listen to some music. This is my brother's actually. It's a huge stereo thing and it makes some killer noise for working out. And if you're anything like me, I have to have good jams when I'm working out. I can't not have music, so. Dunzo. 22 minutes, 171 active calories, 229 total. It never focuses. But yeah, I did cardio. I'm actually gonna be done because I'm exhausted. So I definitely should be doing like some weight stuff, but I'm actually gonna just go upstairs and relax and try to feel better. But 20 minutes down. You got 20 minutes in your day. Just get up, move. You don't have to have a treadmill. Go up and down your stairs if you have stairs. I don't know, walk around the block. Just look up some YouTube videos. Like I've said before, like there's always a way, and just don't let yourself find yourself excuses, because I came up with every excuse to not work out yesterday and I didn't, and then I started to make excuses for today. And instead of allowing myself to have those excuses and to not work out, I got my booty up, and I came downstairs and I walked on the treadmill for 20 minutes. And now I'm gonna go take a shower and relax and edit a video and watch Vampire Diaries. So, and drink more water. This is my second water for the day. So yeah, I'll show you guys what I have for dinner. I might have a protein bar in between, we'll see. And if I do, I'll let you guys know. But otherwise, yeah, we're gonna go upstairs and relax, and I'll show you what I have for dinner. Hey guys, so I am trying the new Built Bar cookie dough. Oh my god, it's amazing. I'm sorry it looks so bad, but
she's lying. She's trying the new DiGiorno stuffed crust pizza.
That was your lunch, silly goon. So I sat and cut these open, you guys. Let me cut this open here.
Well, you gotta show the camera you cutting them open.
Look at this. I sat and ate that already, so.
Here, you gotta show the camera.
Look at the cookie dough chunks, y'all. I just can't even with it. It's so good. I actually really like this. I'm gonna probably place an order. Who knows? But I actually.
No, show them cutting it. Show them cutting it.
There's no more chunks. There's one here.
You gotta show them cutting it open.
Cutting it on this, it's gonna get chocolate in it. Ooh, windy. Look at the chocolate chips in it. That's cray cray, dog. Like what's that guy on American Idol? That's crazy, dog. That's a no for me, dog. Okay, well, watch me eat it. It's so good.
You're crazy.
I just did my skincare, so I probably look nuts. But yeah, if you guys want to try these, I'll put a link down below. You can get 15% off right now and still use my code. So they're really cheap. And look, you can try these puff things. Where did it go? Well, it went away. But they have these puff things that are like marshmallow puffs. Highly recommend. dinner. So I just have a ham sandwich. I just toasted the bread like I showed you guys with some real mayo because we're out of the light mayo. So I'll throw the points up on the screen for the sandwich, and then I have like a 2-point salad here. Just a little tiny bit of cheese, some ranch, and then just a side of chips and homemade spicy salsa that Jason's sister makes. So I'll throw up all the points on the screen. I haven't calculated it yet, but I want to eat it while it's still fresh. And yeah, it's super, like, I tasted this a little bit, so good. So this homemade salsa is so good. It's spicy, but it's not like really hot. So tracked everything. So it was 15 points. If I had light mayo, that would have dropped it a few points. So I'm just counting it as 1 point. So since we didn't have any light mayo, that's why it's so high. So technically it could have been 13 points, which is not a bad dinner at all for all of that food. We're both really stuffed. And even Jason said it was a delicious sandwich. So I highly recommend. I have 5 points left, which I'm definitely going to be eating something. I don't know if I want a Nalani new bar or what I'm going to have, but yeah, I wanted to show you guys that and just kind of, I'm dropping everything tonight. On all of the points, because I like when people do that for me. So yeah, we're just going to chill, watch a movie, and whenever I decide to have something, I'll let you guys know if I do.
Good morning, Minnie. Good morning, Minnie. Good morning.
Good morning, you guys. I just fed my babies, and now I'm going to attempt to have some coffee in a little bit. I just woke up. It's like 10 a.m. I just got really busy Saturday, and I have some cleaning I want to do. I finally took down all of our Christmas stuff. So there's a pile. So here's my little Christmas pile, packed to the brim. Decorate that little area. More of our presents and stuff, and I just want to clean. I really truly was talking to Jason, and I'm like, I don't know how to decorate after Christmas. Like, I feel like I messed up. I should have left some of my Christmas decor because, like, this is just too springy for me at the moment. Like, you know, with like the green. If you look, the trees look gorgeous today. Gorgeous today. Gorga today. They look stunning. I love when they're frosted. This will be my little Saturday vlog. That took me like 10, 15, 20 minutes. I've been struggling, so today is a lot better. 14-day course. So it's a 14-day course. I don't know if any of you have ever taken it before, but yeah, I feel like it really does help, like my throat. I don't really know what's going on with my throat. I might go back to ear, nose, and throat doctor, but as of right now, I think I'm just gonna wait it out and see if it gets better on its own. But yeah, it feels really nice to have a clean kitchen. And yeah, I'm breaking out these mountains. Oh my goodness. So yeah, anyways, I will show you guys what I eat today. I think, yeah, I don't really know what else to do today. Jason's at his mom's and he's been there for like ever, it feels like. So yeah, I'm just chilling by myself. I like my alone time, but when you live with somebody and like you do everything together, like when they're not here, it's really bizarre. So I've just been listening to music and cleaning, keeping myself busy. Continue to do that. So I'm gonna go clean the living room and vacuum and just hang out. So I'll see you guys when I'm able to eat or drink anything. Hi you guys. Yesterday I said that I was going to be filming of what I eat in a day, and I decided not to just because it was Saturday, and I ended up using my weeklies at Jersey Mike's. Absolutely delicious. I went into my weeklies and I'm not ashamed of it at all. That's what they're there for. I had like 54 weeklies on top of my 30 some points dipped into the weeklies some. So yeah, today I woke up and Jason made us brunch. I slept in, it's Sunday. And you know I love my sleep. We used our Ninja indoor grill. So this is what it looks like. And he made some sausage links. So I just have this closed to keep them warm because I had to take my pill. And I have to wait like a half an hour before, well, it says it, well, my doctor said an hour, but I just been waiting like at least like a half an hour. And then he made some mashed potatoes. You guys, what I end up plating up. Hey guys, so I have 2 sausage links for 2 ounces, and then I have some Idaho potatoes and some sugar-free syrup. This is what it's looking like. I don't really know how to track the sausage, so I just looked up pork sausage links and I tracked it in ounces, and then I added a little bit of cheese, melted that on the potatoes. And if I don't like it in syrup, normally you guys, I dip my sausage in syrup, which might be weird, but some of you might have tried it. It's so good. But if I don't like that, I'm going to use ketchup and mustard. So we're going to try that. And then yeah, so this is my little brunch, 12 points. Normally Jason loves mashed potatoes and he made this, so but I like hash browns or something for like breakfasty, but super good, you guys.